Oh god, the Audi. I just bought this suitcase that costs almost $2,500. Let's open it up right now and see what this suitcase have that makes it so special and expensive. The suitcase is called Rimowa, which by the way, it's a German brand. And the video is not being sponsored. I had to buy it. Can you see this metal cap right here, Ramon? Each one of these little things here are worth $100. Nice. There's a Victorinox lock right here, you see? Let's open this case right now and see what makes it so expensive. $2,500. Look at this finish right here. It's brushed aluminum. So nobody can use a knife to cut your suitcase. And as you guys can see, there's no zipper at all. So there's just no way of making that airport trick with the pen to open up the zipper and steal it. It comes with its own double locking system here, and each one of them has 3 numbers, which makes 1,000 combinations. But if you're not feeling completely safe with 1,000 different combinations, you can rest assured, because this is not the only one. There are 2 independent locks, and therefore, there are 2 times the possible number of right combinations for you to put there. Now take a look at this, Ramon. There's this little detail in the design. Can you see it? Every single rivet have an airplane imprinted on them. Now, before we even open it up, I have seen several videos of people at the airport sitting on top of the suitcase and sliding through the airport lobby. So, this will be the actual first test. Okay, I think I'm ready. Yeehaw! Oh my god. It goes really fast. Again, let's go downhill. No need to walk. You just give it a little push and go.
Watch the Audi!
Oh god, the Audi! Well, the wheels are definitely approved. We can finally open it up and see what's inside. It has this unique serial number, so any problem that you have, maybe a broken wheel or anything else, you can take it to any remote reseller anywhere in the world. It has a lifetime warranty. If the wheel breaks, just take it to a remote store and they'll replace it, as long as they don't see this video. Alright. Look, here's the serial number. And look at that. This here is a leather tag. You take it to any reseller, and they're going to engrave your name and contact data. And then you can attach it to your suitcase with this little strap here. It's really fancy, right?
The branding is perfect.
This here is the Ferrari of the suitcases. Now this is a sticker that you can put it on the suitcase. It also comes with these compartments over here. They're very well made. And back here, there's a heavy reinforcement. Now there's this little bag for you to put your stinky socks away from your stuff. And it's on both sides. There's this thing right here, and this little tag too. Let's see it. I think it's the manufacturer address. Made in Germany. Well, I think that's it. This is the most amazing suitcase in the world. There's nothing like it. That was the Rimowa suitcase unboxing. By far, the suitcase is the best one that I've ever seen in my life.